Welcome to part 3, which is the final part. Here we will be discussing about US 10-year Treasury yield, Brent and Nymex. Though Brent and Nymex are two different components, but the movement and the way it goes up or down is similar. The technical patterns are more or less similar. But anyway, we will discuss that. US 10-year yield, it closed at 4.042. 2.1% up this week. In this month already it is 1.9% up. In the year it is 4.2% up. So what happened in the weekly chart? If you recollect, last week it formed a solid green candle, and thereafter this week we said that it will continue its up move. It continued, but it went way up by forming a shooting star. It tried to cross the Bollinger upper band in the weekly chart. It couldn't do so, but in the process it formed, though it formed a solid green candle, it formed a shooting star type of a long upper wick, but it's a good solid green candle. The up move is intact. However, the short term, there might be some pullback that is coming, which in the daily chart I will say. In the monthly, how it is looking at, it has formed a solid green candle, but because it has gone up and the exponential moving averages are way below, we can expect some pullback that is coming in probably from the next few days and also in the next month also, which is very clearly reflected in it forming a solid big red candle on Friday in the daily chart and forming the second solid reversal from the upper band. Hence, it is cautioned that that two reversals have happened in the last 20-25 trading sessions. The second reversal, probably one more time it might try to go near the Bollinger upper band. If it is not able to successfully break past it, then the downfall will happen. But before that, the moving average, everything will keep moving up. Hence, how far it is going down, we have to see. But overall, it is going to end the year in a strong note. That is what it is. So next is Brent and Nymex. Brent and Nymex, Brent closed at 86.24, 1.5% up this week. Nymex closed 82.82, 2.8% up this week. Already it is both the Brent and Nymex are up by 1% this month. That is in the month of August. In the month of July, if you recollect, it has made already 15% up move or so, which we have been telling from April onwards. We have been telling. Why we have been telling? In the weekly chart, we have told 3 attempts it made to break below the 200-week moving average, above which is the 50-week moving average, above which is the 100-week moving average. But it was not successful. The pattern is similar in both Brent and Nymex. So it took 3 times support. At 3 different occasions, it went up from there, bounced up, then the bears pushed it down, but they couldn't break below the 200-week moving average. Or in the monthly chart, it was 50-month moving average. From there, it bounced nicely, and in the April itself, in the May or June itself, we have stated that it is taking nice support at 200-week moving average. From there, it is going to bounce. That is what precisely it had happened. Now it has crossed the 50-week moving average, and it is just below the 100-week moving average. So it is only a matter of time before it is going to take. In the monthly chart, it has formed a solid green candle last month, and it continued with a small doji or spinning top this month. Of course, it is above all the monthly moving average, 50, 100, 200, everything it is above it. Okay, so hence it is on a strong up move. And in the daily chart particularly, if you recollect, I said that it's on a strong up move. It continued its strong up move, and it is decisively above the 200-day and 50-day moving, 200-day moving average, which was acting as a resistance for quite some time. Hence, one has to forget Brent and Nymex going below the 2022 close, because it is already above the 2022 close. This is not a good sign for India, but the reality is that Brent and Nymex are on a solid thing. I am worried and afraid that there might be some sort of imported inflation because of the oil prices going up this year end and next year. Thank you very much.